Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a GOG account in order to buy Cyberpunk or whatever game that you want to buy. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So, once you're on GOG.com, as I am right here, what you need to do is go on this black bar right here and just hover over the sign in button. As you can see right here, it gives me two options, either create an account or sign in. We are going to select create an account. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to ask for you to enter a username, email, password, or just continue with Facebook. If you have Facebook on your computer or mobile phone and you're logged into it, you can click on continue with Facebook and it will link your GOG account with your Facebook account. But for the purpose of this video, we are just going to go the classic way. So I'm going to enter my name right here, my email and my password. I'll be right back after I completed those. After you clicked on sign up, after you entered your details, your account should be created and you should have access to it as I do right here. There's no confirmation email, there's no other extra step, it's just signing in on their website, and that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.